D. You don't know, that's why you looking at me, because you don't know, baby D. Her fat ass be snoring and don't even be asleep, just standing there. Fat little cupcakes and shit. This fat bitch know about all the new snacks before they even hit the street. All the bootleg snacks. The year 2000 snacks. Yeah, go tell me the other day, talking about, Cupcake got a new Twinkie coming out next month. It's a bad motherfucker. When you bite into it, cream filling, shoot all in your mouth, glitter. Fat bitch. Let me get ready to go to work. Because I'm a player, nigga. I'm a pimp, and I don't have to deal with
You got your shirt on backwards. Player.